everyone, it's Leah. Welcome back to a vlog. If you watched my last vlog, you saw that I was in a play. It was closing night of my play that I was in, Number the Stars. Well, it's still the same day, and now I'm having to completely switch gears and get into travel mode because tomorrow morning at 5:10, I'm getting picked up and taken to the airport, and I'm going on a 3-week work trip to Central America. I'm going to Guatemala and Costa Rica to film. And honestly, this might be a really triggering vlog because it's going to be extremely stressful. I'm going to be a crazy, chaotic person because I haven't even packed. I'm not ready at all. And if the stress level in this vlog is gonna trigger you, you might just not want to watch it. I'm actually at my office right now because I had to come get the credit card, my company credit card, for the trip, because of course I forgot to do that because all I've been thinking about is this play, and now it's over. I need to go home and pack. I probably should go to Walmart because I don't have any shampoo. Okay, time to pack. All right, what backpack do I want to take? My camera bag. What's in here? Poncho. I'm not gonna bring a poncho. I think I'm gonna do a raincoat this time and Patagonia. What is the weather like? I don't need a sleeping pad. I don't need an air porter. I don't think I need any compression back. I should bring a towel. Water bottle. We need the hose. No. Makeup. I just wore so much makeup for the show. I don't want to wear makeup for like 2 years. I'm not bringing any makeup. Nikes. And these lightweight sandals for the shower. Do I need malaria pills? Do you need malaria pills in Antigua? No. Did I need any shots? Surely not. When does this expire? 2025. Oh, we're good. Not getting yellow fever. Passport. Okay. Credit card. Do I need to activate this?
Welcome to the Bank of America Merrill Lynch card activation and PIN management line. Please enter your full verification ID and then press the pound key.
What is that? Somebody wrote in a pen a number. Maybe that's it. Are you good?
Thank you.
Oh, I need to pay my rent. What does it say? 2/16/20. Washed my hair and shaved my legs. I still need to cut my nails and take off this ratchet nail polish. I also forgot / remembered that there's a dress code on the race, so I've been thinking about that. I think this looks like a lot of clothes. I don't know if I'm gonna bring all of these, but I have a long dress. I feel like, I don't know, I might end up at church or somewhere. It seems highly likely. I have a second one. I don't know if I need 2 dresses, but I have another one. I'm gonna have a pair of thin, appropriate pants, more thin, appropriate pants, a raincoat, jeans, a cuter shirt, an in-between shirt, and an athletic shirt. There's like too many shirts. This is like, I need to cover up my shoulders, a sweater, underwear, bathing suit. We did it. It's like 10:15 and I think we're ready. Well, actually, I still need to cut my nails and take this nail polish off, but then I think we're ready. Hello, it is me from the future. I just wanted to let you guys know that the trip that I went on to Central America was a work trip, so I didn't vlog it the way that I typically do when I travel, but I did vlog it, but I did it for work. So the vlogs that I created, there's about 13 of them, and they are gonna be coming out on the World Race YouTube channel. So you're gonna wanna subscribe to that YouTube channel. I'll link it down below, and that's where the videos will be coming out. They'll be coming out once a week. And here's the thing though, unfortunately, I don't know when they're gonna be coming out because of COVID-19. We had to pull all of our racers off the field a couple of weeks ago, and we are no longer promoting our routes. We're gonna be promoting them again soon. We're just not doing it right now because we pulled everybody off. So as soon as we start doing that again, we will then put out the vlogs. I just don't know right now. Everything's a little crazy with everybody's job right now, including mine. So I don't know exactly when they will be coming out, but they will be, and they're really good. I'm really proud of them, and I'm excited for you guys to see them. However, if you do want to know more about my trip, I did talk about it in 2 different episodes on my podcast. I mentioned in the last vlog that I started a podcast. It's called Brave Story. I'm really proud of it. I hope that you guys will go check it out. There is a whole episode about my time in Guatemala, and there's a whole episode about my time in Costa Rica. They're both live right now. You can go give that a listen, and I hope if you like it that you will leave a rating and a 5-star review, or no, a 5-star rating and a review with something nice and friendly. That would mean a lot to me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon. And I'll see you over on my podcast. Okay, bye.